Nothing is as precious as a cuddle with your sleeping child. Because life doesn't get tougher than when you're raising a baby. Unless, of course, you're raising two. Right now, this chimpanzee mother's priority is feeding her children. Termites. Millions of them. Chimps share 98% of their DNA with us. And like humans, their minds are built for problem solving. With walls baked hard as concrete, she can't smash the termite mound open. So she looks for something to help her unlock the riches. She crafts a tool, a handmade termite fishing rod. Not quite. Gotcha. Time and again she shows her children how it's done. Just like her mum showed her. It's a skill they'll be able to pass to their own families when the time comes. Few things can prepare you for the ever-changing challenges of being a parent. And just like us, animals do everything they can to get it right.